Hello everyone, welcome to Ajiro Tech. In this video, we'll be looking at the CIE Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology Paper 2 Document Production February/March 2022, and we'll be looking at the only variant 21. Okay, please, the candidate source files are provided. Please, the instructions are very imperative. Please go to the instructions because it is actually needed before the exam. The instructions are there to guide you on how to go about your exam and to take caution of what to do and what not to do. So please, instructions are there to guide you. Please go through them. Okay. You have been supplied with the following source files, so please you can also check. The source files are just there to go through to ensure you have what it is. All right. We're going to start with the tax 1 evidence document. Open the file M2221 evidence. So for the purpose of this video, I have it open in the background. So I'm just going to open it. All right. Make sure that your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of this document. So I'm just going to do that on the footer, or the header rather. Click on insert, header, 3 columns, Ajiro, and the center number is AN017, A for Ajiro, N for ND 017, candidate number is 2023. Save this document in your work area as this M2221 evidence followed by your candidate number, for example. So we're going to save it this. Okay, click on file, save as Word document 2023. Tax 2. You are going to edit a document for a company. You're going to edit a document for a company. The company uses a corporate house style for all its documents. Okay. Paragraph style must be created, modified, and applied as instructed. Open the file M2221 storage. So let's open the file. Enable editing. Okay. The page setup is set to A4, portrait orientation with 2 centimeters. Do not make any changes to this. I love questions like this. That makes it easy to get free marks. 3 paragraph styles have already been created. Do not make any changes to this unless instructed. Okay. Save the document to your work area in the format of the software you're using with the file name upgrade. Just going to copy this. Okay, click on file, save as Word document. Take a screenshot to show this file has been saved, including evidence of the file type. Place this in your evidence document. So let's show evidence that this has been saved. I'm going to click here to click on details. Right click, sort by date modified, and I'm going to take a snipping to click on new. Nope. I'm going to take another one. I'm just going to do this. Yes. Okay, so I can take another one, and the file type wasn't legible, so I'm just going to take this. So this is completed. Remove any page breaks. Remove any preset page breaks in the document. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'll click right here to show or hide the page breaks. Let's do that. Okay, so we have one here. Okay, so obviously we just have one page break. Okay, done. Place in your header your name, center number, and candidate number right aligned. So we're going to place in our header, click on insert, header. Okay, scroll down, click here, my name, comma, center number AN 017, comma, 2023. What else? So all this text is going to be removed. Place your footer automated page number center align. The header is right aligned. Make sure that the header is right aligned to the page margin. The footer is center aligned between the page margins. Okay, so we can just check it. Yes. No other text or placeholders are included in the header or footer areas. Header and footer are displayed on all pages. So this is obviously completed. Create the following styles based on the default paragraph style. So let's create this style. I'm going to hit on enter. Okay, click on home, styles, normal, and I'm going to create the style. AC title, copy, serif times New Roman, font size is 28, enhancement is bold, italics, single line spacing 00. Okay, all right, take screenshot evidence to show the settings for the HD title paragraph style and place this in your evidence document. So we're going to right click on it, modify, and then we'll just quickly go into cross check. Times New Roman 28, send. Okay, now this is why it's important to always check, because obviously I missed it the first time. The center is bold and italics, single line spacing. So that's why I missed it the first time. That's why it's important to always check. So I'm just going to take this snippet to here. And I'm going to OK this. Evidence 2. At the start of the document, enter the title, upgrade your data storage. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste it here. And automatically the HD title have been applied. Select the subheading, which drive works for you, and the following text to and including paragraph ending a slimmer drive in a 9.5 millimeter space. I'm just going to copy this. Okay, from here to click on edit, find, paste it. Okay, so obviously we're stopping here. So select the subheading which drive works for you, and the following text to and including the paragraph heading a slimmer drive in a 9.5 millimeter space. Okay, change the page layout. Click on layout, columns, more columns, two columns, so that only the text is displayed in two columns of equal width. Okay, with a 1.5 space between them. I want to be sure. Okay. All right. So select this. Apply the bullets to the text from mechanical hard drive, from mechanical hard drive, I think obviously to here. You can make sure that you use a square bullet shape, a square shape bullet point. The bullet are indented 1.5 centimeter from the left margin. Okay, so we have done this. The next one is the list is in single line spacing with no space before after. So let's do that. Single line. Take this off. Done. There's this 6-point space after the last item. I think this should be enough. Okay. All right. So this is completed. The paragraph style HD subheading has already been created and applied to the 6 subheadings. Modify the HD subhead paragraph style so only the following formatting is applied. Okay, so for the subhead, we're just going to modify it, and we have Times New Roman 12 center line. We have italics, bold, and all caps. Single, that's a single space before, that's 0 space before, and 9 points after. So, and yes, 9 points. Okay, so take a screenshot to show your modified settings for the HD subhead paragraph style. So we're just going to verify again. So we have Times New Roman 12, italics, bold, all caps, single. Yeah, so I'm just going to take this, click on new. This is going to be evidence 3. Okay, this is also completed. Okay, place a text box at the top of the paragraph that starts if you can physically upgrade. So if you can physically, I'm just going to copy this. Okay, paste it to a text box. It's going to be here. A text box at the top of the paragraph that starts. So let's add the text box. Shapes. Okay. Align the text box to the top of the paragraph and the right margin of the document. Okay. Wrap the text to make sure there is no text hidden behind the text. Okay, so that's done. Locate the file m21extra.txt and place the content of this file into the text box. Okay. So place the context here. Apply this text, format this text as H-body paragraph style and make it bold. So I'll select everything and click on body. Okay. And make it bold. Okay, and make it bold. Okay, so we're going to make it bold. Okay. Make sure that all the text is visible and words are not split over line in the text box. Okay. Format the text box with a light gray background. And a 3 to 4 point tick line. So right here we'll come to the shape outline. We'll click on width. We're going to select okay, right here, done. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so it may look like this, and we have done a fantastic job. Locate the table in the document. Okay. Set 1 point black internal external grid line. So right here on table design, under borders and shading, we're going to make it 1 point. Done. Delete the entire column and content with the heading notes. Now, obviously, you have to be careful when you're deleting columns, because you have to delete the entire column and content with the heading notes. Delete right here, columns. Okay. Apply the HD table paragraph style to all the data in this table. Okay. Set the table width to 15 centimeters. So the table width to 15 centimeters. That width is too much. Okay, so I'm just trying to see how I can. They said set the table width to 15 centimeters. We've applied the HD tables. Now, if we set it here, it doesn't work. Obviously, it's going to make it very big. Let's try it again. Whoa, make it very big. So we don't want that. So let me see what we can do. I'm going to right click on this and click on table properties. Let's see. Okay, preferred width. I think this is better. So we're going to move it to um 15 centimeters. Okay, and center the table within the page margin. So we're going to center it. Okay, so we're going to click OK. Done. This is complete. Now what we are going to do is, so this is complete. Make sure that words are not split over line when the text is wrapped. No. The grid lines are displayed when printed. The words are not split over line when text is wrapped. All grid lines are displayed when printed. There is a 6-point space after the table. So let's do this. Hit on enter, and we're going to get our 6 points. Okay. Okay. Import the image M2221 SSD and place it in the paragraph beginning M2 format. Copy. I'm just going to find it. Okay. In the paragraph beginning, M2 format is effectively so let's insert it. Image. No, I'm just going to pause and look for it. Okay, so we have it here. M2221. Okay, so we have it here. Rotate the image 180 degrees. So let's rotate it. Okay, so I'm going to 1, 2. Okay. Completed. Format the image so that it is resized to the half column width with the aspect ratio maintained. So it to the half. It is resized to half the column width. So it's going to be half of it. So obviously this is going to be like so let's bring out our calculator. Let's do a little mathematics. So we have 7.75. Nope. 7.75 divided by 2. So we have 3.8. So let's do that. 3.8. Okay. It is aligned to the right of the column and top of the paragraph starting. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Spell check and proofread the document. So I'm going to click on review, spellings and grammar, ignore, 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 ignore. Okay, so this is completed. Make sure that the lists and tables are not split over columns or pages. Mhm. So what we are going to do is we're going to move it completely. Okay. Okay. So that's that. There are no windows or orphans. Okay. The original page break has been removed. Yes. There are no blank pages. No. Paragraphs have been applied as instructed with constant spacing maintained between all items. So 2 pages. Good. There is 6 point space after the table and the list. Yes. Save the document using the file name and format used in step 1. So let's go to step 1. Upgrade. Print the document. Make sure your name, serial number, account number are on your report. Going to click on save. Click on print. Okay. Print. I'm just going to look for it. Okay. So we have the printout one. So this is 30 marks in total, and we can just check what has been done for printout one. Um, it's not been it's been relatively easy. Just the issue of the table, we should just have to be critical about it. Oh, we have some text in between in the footer. We have to take it off. And the question here states that if you scroll back to the question, that's why it's important to check. It said um, no other text or placeholder that are included in the header or the footer, and there was. So click here, footer. Nope, just scroll down, double click on it, and take this off. take this off. So obviously it was an oversight, and it's important you still go through to ensure that all these are done. So we're just going to print this again. Click on file, save, click on file, print. Print out one, and we're just going to replace it. Yes, and we can check it. That's the essence of doing a print preview to ensure your work is looking good. So this is fine, and with that we have come to the end of this paper. So please do want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like the videos, practice along with it, and subscribe to this channel for more IGCSE ICT practical videos, and I'm going to see you next time.